Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain why your Chinese smartwatch is not connecting to your iPhone. The tips I'm going to give you work in most cases. For this tutorial, I recommend uninstalling the app if you already have it installed and installing it again so you can follow the steps exactly as I show them in the video. The first thing I always recommend is knowing which app your smartwatch uses. If you don't know, check the user manual or the Smartwatch box. It usually shows the name of the app and its logo. If you still don't know, you need to look for a QR code inside your smartwatch. It can be in the main menu or in the settings. Scan it with your iPhone's camera. As soon as you point at the QR code, a link will appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap it and choose the App Store option to download the correct app. When you open the app, it will ask you to enable Bluetooth permission. You must allow it. Then it will ask for tracking permission. Tap Ask App Not to Track. After that, it will ask for health access. In my case, I choose Don't Allow, but you can choose whatever you prefer. Next, most apps will show a registration screen where you can enter your email. In my case, I choose the Skip option. Once we enter the app interface, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Go to Settings, look for the Bind Device or Connect Device option, and connect your smartwatch. If your watch does not appear on the list, you can try two things. First, reset your smartwatch to factory mode. You can find this option either in the main menu or in the settings of the watch. The second option is this. If you previously tried connecting the watch to your phone, go to the Bluetooth settings and look for your watch in the list of saved or connected devices. If it appears there, tap Forget this device and then search again from the app. After connecting your smartwatch, a Bluetooth pairing message will appear. Accept it. Another message will appear asking permission to allow notifications from your iPhone to the watch. Accept this as well. Then go to the Notifications or Messages section inside the app. Enter it and select the apps from which you want to receive notifications on your smartwatch. Choose the ones you need and go back. If you have any notification content restrictions enabled on your iPhone, for example, when you receive WhatsApp notifications but not the message content, you need to disable that restriction. Otherwise, your watch will not receive complete notifications. If this video was helpful, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a comment. Greetings to all, and I'll see you in the next video.